Good morning, families and friends. You see, today I would like to introduce you all to our new lesson for this quarter, January to March, which is titled Uniting Heaven and Earth, Christ in Philippians and Colossians. Our topic for today is prisoner of Christ, not of circumstance. Let me start with a question. Who defines you when life goes wrong? Paul was chained, guarded, and imprisoned by Rome. Yet he introduces himself with these words, I, Paul, the prisoner of Jesus Christ. Ephesians 3, verse 1. Paul doesn't say prisoner of Caesar. He doesn't say victim of injustice. He chooses his identity carefully because Paul understood something powerful. Circumstances don't own us. Christ does. From a prison cell, Paul didn't lose his mission. He found a new platform. His claims opened doors to Roman guards. His letters reached churches. His suffering strengthened the gospel. Ellen White writes, the very chains that bound him gave him access to souls he could not otherwise have reached. Acts of the Apostle, page 464. Here's the lesson for us. You may feel restricted. You may feel stuck. You may feel like life has boxed you in. But if you belong to Christ, no chain can cancel your calling. Rome held Paul's body, but Christ held his heart. So today, choose your chains wisely, because a prisoner of circumstances is defeated, but a prisoner of Christ is unstoppable. The word of God is not bound. 2 Timothy 2:9. God bless.